afternoon. This is call number 2021-77328. In the interest of honesty and true record, all parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
My name is Karen Williams. I am their mother.
All right, and sir, your name and your relationship to the children.
My name is Lorenzo Record. I am their father.
And representing the state of Texas, unmute yourself, please.
Andrea Eoff.
All right, we've got an original petition and a suit affecting parent-child relationship. What are we doing today, Ms. Eoff?
Your Honor, there are acknowledgments of paternity on file for both of these children, but the parties have agreed that they would like to challenge those acknowledgments of paternity and do DNA testing.
What is the reset date?
October 5th, 2022.
October
at 8
5?
a.m.
5?
5, yes.
Okay. All right, then the challenge to the OP's granted DNA testing is ordered and cases reset to October 5th, 2022.
Okay, thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you.
All right, may we be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Are you handling the Davalos matter or who is?
That will be Attorney Sharma.
Okay.
So Mr. Record and Miss Williams, you guys are free to go now, but you will need to come back here on Zoom at 8 a.m. on October 5th, the same way you did today.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I have a question. Like,
Our
we have to
office,
wait.
our office will reach out to you to schedule the DNA testing,
Okay.
and then you
Okay.
guys will come back on the 5th.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Morning, Judge.
Good afternoon. This is call number 2021-77299 in the interest of Ayla Davalos. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
And please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Samantha Davalos. I am the mother of Ava Davalos.
All right. The court will note that representing the state of Texas Attorney General's office.
Kavita Sharma.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent Dominique Joey Salazar, Mr. Salazar, was personally served on December 14th. Uh, 2021 at 11:12 a.m. at 15609 Elgin Street in Channelview, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Samantha Davalos the mother.
All right.
Miss Davalos, we're here for one child, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And how old is your child?
He is 7.
And who is the father?
Dominique Salazar,
And how do you know Mr. Salazar is the father?
because he was the one I was with at the time that I conceived.
Okay. And are you asking the court to name him as the biological father of this child
Yes, ma'am.
and order a parent-child relationship between Mr. Salazar and the child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to appoint you and Mr. Salazar as joint conservators for the child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order that you designate the child's primary residence in Harris and contiguous counties?
Yes, ma'am.
And as far as possession and access, are you asking the court to set a standard possession order?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want pickup and drop off to be at your home or the child's school?
Yes, ma'am, please.
And there is an order requesting that your address be kept confidential. Is that because another party who's not subject to this case, that you need to keep your address confidential from another party?
Yes.
And if that other party has access to your information, it could cause you or your child abuse or harassment or injury?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how is your child covered under health insurance?
She has Medicaid at the moment.
And you are agreeing to maintain that health insurance for the child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order that Mr. Mr. Salazar pay $57 a month beginning August 1 for the medical support?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you agree to pay half of any uncovered health insurance, health costs?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you know where Mr. Salazar is working currently?
No, I do not.
Do you know if he has any other children?
No, I do not.
And do you know if he is incarcerated?
No, I do not.
When was the last time you had contact with Mr. Salazar?
Last year, around August.
And are you, do you understand the court is going to order the child support be based on minimum wage?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And are you asking the court to set current child support at $217 beginning August 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And you said your child is how old again?
7.
And since your child has been born, has Mr. Salazar contributed financially to his support?
No, ma'am.
Are you asking the court to order retroactive child support from November 29th of 2017 until today?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order a judgment against Mr. Salazar in the amount of $12,369, also based on minimum wage?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order Mr. Salazar pay that toward that judgment at $112 a month beginning August 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order Mr. Salazar pay court costs?
Yes, ma'am.
And have you reviewed and signed this order today?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
Court will approve the
Thank
order
you.
submitted. Thank you very much.